cooking? Let's go ahead and let's get cooking because it is tailgating and touchdown Thursdays, and you know what that means. We need to make up some good game food, and I'm gonna sit there and get started with, I have 2 pounds of ground chuck here, and now I'm gonna sit there and go ahead and fry it all up. Alright, I'm at the Blackstone griddle, and now I'm just gonna sit there and just slightly drizzle out a few drizzles of some good quality oil that you can take up to a high temperature. Alright, I have my 2 pounds of the lean ground chuck. I'm gonna go. Let's go ahead and add the pepper. Let's add some kosher salt. Here's a teaspoon of dried onion. And now, or that was the garlic, I mean. This is the onion. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. I know the Packers here in my state, it's their first game of the season, and it's pretty exciting here because we're playing against the Bears, and everybody knows our rivalry against the Bears. So, go Packers! So, who's your team this year? Now, while my meat's just still not all the way cooked, I like to then add my taco seasoning. So, go ahead, if you have a packet of taco seasoning that you like to use, go ahead. This is the time that you would add it. Okay, this is how your taco meat should be looking. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn the fire down low underneath this. Alright, I grabbed one of our pitas. Now I'm going to sit there and take this over to our Blackstone griddle, and I'm just going to be out to warm this up on both sides, and I'm going to sit there and open up the hard shells and get that all ready for when I bring back our pita. And I brought out a nice little serving dish that we're going to put it all in. So, off to the Blackstone griddle. Now, you could use the cheese sauce that came with these. Okay, let's just come over here, turn that over, let it warm up on that side. As you see, over here is our taco meat waiting patiently. Okay, I have our warmed up pita. I opened up our cheese sauce, and that's how my cheese sauce looks as soon as I take off my lid. So I mean, there's Nothing wrong with canning cheese sauce. Now, with this cheese sauce, we're gonna grab some of it, and you're gonna sit there and put it all on the inside. And if you know where I'm from, it's a must. You must go crust to crust with this stuff. So try to make it to all the edges. But remember, I can't see you, so if you don't do it, it ain't no big crime. And then I like to add some of the cheese. And then I like to grab one of these hard shell. We're gonna sit there and smackle it right between the two cheeses as such. And now back over to the Blackstone griddle to get our taco meat. Okay, we're back over by our griddle, and I put a little cheese down inside. Now grab some of our taco meat, place that down on in the inside of our taco shell. Now I'm going to go back in and we're going to finish assembling the rest of this bad beast. Okay, we're back in. Now I like to add just a little bit more of this processed cheese, and I like to run it down the middle of it. Then I like to add some more of the regular shredded cheese. I like to get a dollop or two. I like to get some shredded lettuce. Put that all on. And push it down a little bit. Don't be afraid. We're gonna have a good loaded Gordita. Come down here, grab some of the tomatoes. Put that on. And I'm not done yet. Because why? It needs more cheese. So, put a little bit more cheese on. And there you go. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. And there you go. That's how easy it was to make yourself a Gordita. So if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, please go up, tap that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to thank each and every one of you for taking the time out to watch my videos. And here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear? Mmm.